Okay, good morning, students. I hope that you all are safe and well at your home. Okay, and देखो ज़्यादा बाहर ना निकलें और अपना सेहत का ध्यान रखें. Okay, thank you. So today we will start chapter number 6 और ये हमारा टर्म 1 का लास्ट चैप्टर है. अगर कुछ डाउट है तो मैंने फ़ोन नंबर ऑलरेडी दिया है. You can call me at any time and solve your doubts. Okay, so this is chapter number 6, understanding media. You know that today there are so many medias are there about the young peoples, about any the accidents, about any the hospitalized, everything that we are getting from the media. And we aware about that the all the markets, whatever the markets are going on in our country or in our the world, we can sit at our home, which are the good products, we can know that, which are the brands, like that different type of the things we can know about that. So today we will learn about understanding media. Media क्या होता है? What is your favorite TV program? First of all we know that कि हमारा सबसे पहला TV प्रोग्राम कौन सा है, right? तो there are so many serials are there in our own language, in Gujarati, Hindi, and religious languages are there. What do you like listening to on the radio? रेडियो में हमको ज़्यादातर गाना सुनना अच्छा लगता है. विच न्यूज़पेपर्स और मैगज़ीन डू यू यूजली रीड? तो मेरे ख्याल से आपका घर पे किसी के घर पे न्यूज़पेपर तो मैगज़ीन कुछ होता तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ लोगों के घर पे some of the peoples that today also that the old men's they are interested to read the newspapers. Do you surf the internet and what have you found most useful about it? Do you know that the internet is working very fast in our life? So did you know that there is one word that is often used to collectively refer to the radio, TV, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communications? And in everything, in radio also, when the news are coming, in TV also, news are coming, in newspapers also, news are coming, internal and several other forms like in apps like in Facebook and Twitter, in everything that if one incident was happening in our country or in our city or in our district or in our world, wherever it is if it is was dangerous, they we know about the that within a second in this all things that all the news are same. This word is media. This chapter you will read more about the media. This is called what? Media. The things that we know in by the radios, by the TV, by the newspaper, internet, and several other forms, that is called what? Media. You will read more about the media. You will find out what is required to make it work, as well as the ways in which the media affect our daily life. See, media is not a simple thing that anybody can do anything in the media. No, that is the wrong idea. Some of the people are thinking that I can do everything in the media. No, if they also that they will also they see that the whether the person is telling right or wrong. Right, this the person is bringing in one incident about any of the news they are giving to this media. They will see that how they how much interested in this story. Afterwards only they will interested in you only. So can you think of one thing that you have learned from the media this week? Right, in this week now we know that all the people are at our home only, so we are mostly using mobiles and TV and internet, and like that way everything we are using at our home only, so we can know about all the things whatever happening surrounding to our country, surrounding to our world, what everything we can getting the news from the media. Now the coronavirus is going on, right, COVID-19. At that time we know about the media is giving day to day and time to time records they are giving how much positive and how much negatives are coming. and how much patient are died and how much they are getting the recovery in that in this decision right now. So like that way the media is always alerting us in a safe mode. Everything ranging from the stall at the local fair to the program they you see on TV can be called media. Media is a plural form of the word medium and it's describe the various way through which communicate in society. Media means what? It's plural form and we can say it is medium, but the describing the words is that we are telling that media means communicate in the society, because media refers to all means of communication. Media refers to all means of communication. There is not any difference in the media whether they are like religious, like any of the rich or poor, like or educated or uneducated. No, they support to all of them. Everything ranging from the phone call to the evening news on TV can be called media. TV, radio, and newspaper are a form of media that reaches millions of people of the masses across the country and the world, and thus they are called mass media. Right? Whatever the newses are coming in our news, in the paper, in the radio, or any other ways like WhatsApp or Facebook or internet or Twitter or anything, that these all things are getting to the different type of the peoples and in their language also. That is the main thing. In their language also means whatever the incident was, if one incident was happening in our Gujarat, then it was coming not only in Gujarati, it was coming in other communication, other language also. In Kerala, if that news is getting, they are translating everything in the Malayalam, or in the Maharashtra they are translating in the Marathi. In Tamil Nadu they are translating in Tamil. Right, like that way different different mass media, different media is communicating in their own language. That is called what? Mass media. Media and technology, it would probably be difficult for you to imagine your life without the media, but cable television and the widespread use of the internet is a recent phenomena. These have been around for less than 20 years. The technology that mass media use keep changing. Before 20 years, what happened there? Means today we can say that before 30 years. Right, in this, because this book has came near last for 10 years, 10 to 12 years, because I am teaching this book last 12 years. That means we can say that it before the 30 years or 35 years. What happened there at the British time? What, there was any media is there? No, there was not any media. There was rarely the camera. Some of the peoples have only the cameras only. That is also rarely getting from the rich people. Not everyone. But what happened there? When these newses are coming, they are taking all the newses in the newspaper. When one incident was happening in the Delhi, at the 4th day or the 5th day or the 6th day, that news is getting to the Kerala state or Tamil Nadu state, because this paper has to suffer by train only. By train only. Or any plane only, that no plane facilities is not there. That's why they have to suffer in the train only. This news they have to reach there at the 5th day or 6th day at the Kerala. This is the main things, right? Before that, 10 days, 15 days they are getting to time. If one incident was happening in Gujarat, if the Kerala people want to know about in Gujarat what happened there, so they are getting this news after the 10 or 15 days back. Yes, these are the things are there. But before this 20 to 40 years, what happened there? This media has what happened there? That technology was very fast at that time. They are very fast. They run very fast for that technology, and keeping changing and everything. Today, what happened there? Within a second, not after second, we cannot say that within a second. Before that second, the news is coming at our home. Everything was getting with our home. Today the special newses are there. Like that means if I am from Kerala, so within my village, what happened there? Villages. So there are the village news also is there. Within a second, I got everything the news. When we call to our home that these things will happen in our village, what is that? They are asking, how would you know that? Yes, how would you know that? Because these are the happening in the media. This is the things are there in the media. Media newspapers, television and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technology. So this was at the British time, after the independence of our country, our India. At that time, all the news was getting from the radio only. That is the fastest reaching media to our all the country. We also tend to discuss newspaper and magazines as the print media and the TV and radio as the electronic media. At that time, the print media was a newspaper, and in newspaper everything was not there. They are only giving that advertisement and some important newses, everything there. But in the radio, they are giving all the newses in in radio. Why do you think newspapers are called print media? Are you read further, you will find that this naming is related to the different technology that this media use. The following photographs will give you a sense of the ways in which technology that mass media uses has changed over the year and continues to change. And you know that the year one photo is there, that you can see that how this photo is there, that they are saying that at artist impression of Gutenberg printing the first sheet of the Bible, the first sheet of the Bible, right? The Bible they have translated in Hebrew language into English. This time the first media, that's the first media, the print machine, the first print machine they had used for the Bible, right? So like that way they have changed their technologies day by day, not month by month or year by year. Day by day they have changed the technologies in the media. That's why they reached today in our daily route, that everything we are getting the news. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the image that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the ways in which we think about our lives. For example, today it is quite difficult for us to think of our lives without television. Television has enabled us to think of ourselves as member of a large global world. Television images travels huge distance through satellites and cables. And afterwards what happened there, the government has started the Doordarshan. दूरदर्शन मीन्स दूर का दर्शन होना, दूर चीज़ों का दर्शन करना, हमको घर बैठे दूर का चीज़ों को दर्शन करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड दूरदर्शन. And they started the 12 channels, 12 to 14 channels, Doordarshan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 12 channels they are started. And in TV also that there are only 12 channels are there. They all the television are manually. They have to use manually only, no any remote control or no any facilities are there. So they have to start it like this, and they are getting all the news from this Darshan. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world, and they are started to entertainment, so public can come and see, they can understood about everything. So say they came to the television and they started to see everything in the TV. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or United States. Means cartoon film and everything that like Tom and Jerry, Laurel and Hardy, and more than their cartoons are there. They mostly they are made from the Japan and the United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu and can see image of the storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Today what happened in America, everything we can know about in our house only. Today only Facebook also is there, WhatsApp also is there, Twitter also is there, right? Instagram also is there, like different type of the medias are there. We can see lots of things what happening in the America. We don't want to go to the America. Media and so you understand about what is media. Okay, now second thing is that media and money. So anything we have to work out, we need money. And how we get the money? From the public only. You know that each we are seeing a serial. Understood that? Imagine that we are seeing a serial. In between that serial, what the things are coming in between that? Advertisement, yes. All the advertisement, the branded company giving their branded items, branded things in the TV, so people can know about that, people can aware about that, and they will buy, they will purchase that things, and they are getting the profit. So in that profit, media also need the money, so they make one advertisement. And you know that the even the toilet soaps and toilet liquids, everything we are getting from the media only. Amitabh Bachchan is showing that Dr. Sabu. What is the rate of that Sabu? Nearby 40 to 45 rupees. From that 45 rupees, 5 rupees is for Amitabh Bachchan, or 10 rupees for the company, and baki and other for the retailer and the consumer and everything like that. They are divided that money. From that money, they are also getting this money to the media also. Like this way, they are earning money from this advertisement. Understood? The different technology that mass media use are expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which the news readers sit in. It has light, camera, sound recorders, transmission, satellite, etc. See, if a media is working, they need lots of electronic things there. First of all, they need the electric, right? That is also chargeable. Second is that cameras, that is also chargeable. Sound recorders, that is also chargeable. Transmission satellite, that is also chargeable. If we are thinking that today we will download one app in our mobile, what you are thinking, that it is a free? No, it is a chargeable. When you are paying one thing for the 1 GB or 2 GB, you are taking from that company for your mobile. That new app you are downloading, they are charging that for things. They are not saying that this much rupees you will see. Nowadays you can see at the TV also, this channel is for 9 rupees, this channel is 19 rupees, this channel is 20 rupees, this channel HD channel is 18 rupees, like that you can see there. So whatever the channels, you can count it everything at your home only, isn't it? So same thing at the mobile also, with whatever the app you are downloading, it was a chargeable. Then only they can get the profit only, na? Otherwise how can they get the profit for the internet also? We are thinking that we are charging that 2 GB for 28 days, and nothing, we have to see that everything we can see in the mobile. But no, we are charging this all things, this all app we are charging. There is no any free app for anybody. Those who are making this app, they are getting the money. Google, they are getting the money. One of the richest person that who has to make the Google, है. So he is the one of the richest person. Whenever one Google is applying in the mobile, without Google we cannot do anything. So we are using this Google. That means money is going in his account every day, today also. So transmission, satellites, and everything that they have to pay money. In a news studio, it is not only the news readers who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. This includes those who look after the cameras and lights also. As you read the earlier and technologies that mass media use keep changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. So what happening there? When these people are using this technology, so we are not charging to the camera only. We need a cameraman also, that you have to shoot everything. Lighters is there, lightmans is there, right? And recorders are there. Everybody is there. So they need to give the salary also. So they need lots of money for this media. Mass media is constantly. Due to this cost, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels, newspapers are part of big business house. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolate, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television. So while watching a cricket match on TV, the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each over the show. You are often watching the same image over and over again. See, I will explain that everything, that when you are watching a cricket, think about that within a 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, there are the thumbs up, that thumbs up advertisement is coming. again and again this for the 4-3 hours that match is going on. At that time between these 4-6 hours they have to show, they have to, they are एक क्या बोलता है वहाँ पे उसके अंदर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करता है कि मैं उसके अंदर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं, उसको एक डील रखता है कि भाई इतना एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स दे हैव टू शो देयर, this much number, this much time you have to show my advertisement. If they are paying, this company, this thumbs up company was paying to this media, if just imagine that if 2 crore rupees for this much advertisement, this match is going on throughout the world, not only in India, it was going throughout the world. Between this advertisement is coming again and again. Think about that, this much people are there, they will drink it for nearby to 8 to 10 crores rupees, investment of 8 to 10 crore rupees of they are drinking, this much people they are drinking the thumbs up. ये 10 करोड़ का जो इनकम जब आता है इनके पास, द कंपनी के पास, और इसको सामने 2 करोड़ रुपया देने में इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? 8 करोड़ का तो पूरा फ़ायदा ही हो गया इनको। उसमें से मान लो 2 करोड़ का सामान चला गया या 2 करोड़ का पूरा बनाने में कंपनी वाले को सैलरी चला गया या करके फिर भी उसको 4 करोड़ का उसको मैं तो सिर्फ एक छोटा सा अमाउंट बताता हूँ, इनके पास तो करोड़ों का बिजनेस हो जाता है तभी ये क्रिकेट के टाइम पर। अंडरस्टूड? तो ये है उनका बिजनेस। एज यू विल रीड इन द फॉलोइंग चैप्टर, एडवर्टाइजमेंट आर रिपीटेड इन द होप दैट यू विल गो आउट एंड बाय व्हाट इज़ एडवर्टाइजमेंट। जैसे ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो हमको भी कभी कभी थम्स अप लेके आना बाजू का दुकान में से या यहाँ से, तो हमको तो मिल जाता है, तो इसके तरफ से उसका पूरा बिजनेस वहाँ पे चल जाता है। ओके, सो टुडे वी आर लर्न अबाउट द 2 थिंग्स दैट मीडिया एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मास एंड मीडिया एंड money. Okay, next I will send you in second part. Okay, thank you.